Southward Korea's by the government has been signal how it plans to fracture downward on cryptocurrency trade. Precisely how it will do the remnant obscure. But fair the risk of activity has been quite to driving a sale off through the marketplace globally. Bitcoin, for sample, has lost almost a block of its importance in the history 1 week. And so on environment the virtual exchange, that recent monthly looked set to violation the $20,000, £14,500, mark, was trade nearer to $12,000. Prices of cryptocurrencies are flying at the top of period. Rises and waterfall of 10% or more than in a day are not unusual. And pinning downward justification for such abrupt movements frequently involves guesswork. But it seems how events in one comparatively little southward East Asiatic nationality can include a considerable impact on the marketplace. Of year, a purchaser could be meeting in Singapore or Serbia time with Southward Korean won to trading, but the coin hill's collapse is cute lot the top we include to go on. The Korea Blockchain Production Associate estimates how Southward Korea has more than rather than a half a dozen cryptocurrency exchanges. And down there's so lot consumer demand how the virtual exchange has sold at as lot as a 30% price compared in some countries. Undertaken along, you get a proper sense for how big the production has been in a nation of less rather than 50 millionth human beings. Among tales of school children and housewives racing in to buy virtual exchange, Southward Korea's by the government has stigmatized the tendency unreasonable. Lot Southward Koreans, particularly amongst the junior generations, are digital loving and technology savvy, that makes digital currencies thing attractive to investigate and maybe flounder in. The nation has at first-class infrastructure facilities for IT networks and giving really quick web protection, all things that do trade cryptocurrencies facilitating and more rapid. Onto analysis company-wise app. The quantity of cryptocurrency app users in Southward Korea has growth 14 stack in the history 3 months to on 2 millionth users. Largest are in their 30s in users conducting an ordinary of 26 protocol on the apps every day. The enormous cost rises enjoyed by lot virtual currencies for 2017, and the related print scope, is a main cause so lot world include solve to put in, or gambling in, the new technique. In Southward Korea he's offered the circulation has been strengthened by the country of the economics that has been retarding in latter year. Growing joblessness, particularly amongst youthful human beings, is as well creature related in an increasing quantity of human beings looking at new ways to try and do cash. So unsurprisingly, in so lot Southward Koreans acute to perform their finance hopes and ambition via cryptocurrency trades, down there is impedance to plans for a cryptographic clampdown. Southward Korea's by the government has done a obligation to reply such a petitions how achieve more than rather than 200,000 signing during 30 days. Importance the discussion has a length way to work.